video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Are you better than 14 years old player Benyamin Faraji, the player that shocks the world? Hello, I'm EmRatThich. How are you today? Benyamin Faraji, a 14-year-old player from Iran, is making waves in the table tennis world. In fact, he is the only young player that a Chinese coach has publicly praised, giving him a rare thumbs up. This is remarkable, as China dominates the sport, and earning such recognition is no small feat. Faraji nearly defeated two of the world's top Chinese players, Wang Chuchen and Lin Shidong. His performance was not just a display of youthful energy, but of skill, strategy, and mental toughness. His hook serve is particularly notable, catching many top players off guard. In modern table tennis, where serves can set the tone of the game, Faraji has mastered the hook serve at an exceptional level for his age. What really sets him apart is his balanced power on both the forehand and backhand. He's not just a one-sided attacker, but can switch seamlessly, punishing his opponents no matter where the ball lands. His powerful, unpredictable topspins put Wang Chuchen in a tough spot, leading to a close match where Faraji nearly caused an upset. And against Lin Shidong, Faraji pushed him to the absolute limit, something very few players have managed to do against China's rising star. For such a young player to be challenging the best in the world is an extraordinary achievement. Benyamin Faraji is undoubtedly a player to watch in the coming years, and it's exciting to imagine how much more he can accomplish as he matures. Could he be the one to shake the Chinese dominance in table tennis? Only time will tell.
哇，这一分对手也是。被开放入场的，所以我们其实刚刚在转播画面当中。 拼得很凶啊。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.